What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you the oil changing procedure for the CVO Breakout. First, let's warm up the engine. And remove the oil tank cap. I don't know how well you can see it, but the oil drain plug is right here. 5/8. That's the oil filter. Let's put this underneath like that, and then use the filter wrench like that and stick this in like that and just loosen it. There you go. Okay, so here's a new filter. Give a little oil around the rubber rim. Like that. Now, let's first tighten by hand. No extra power necessary. Like that, and then about 3/4 to half turn after making the contact. So something like that is good enough. There you go. Let's replace the O-ring. It was the old one. There's a new one. Give a little oil on it, just a little is okay, and tighten it with the hand first. And tighten it with a torque wrench. It needs to be tightened by 14 to 21 foot-pounds of torque. There you go. Okay, so when a filter is changed, I need 3 coats of oil in there. I, however, would like to just go with 2.7, 2.8 for now, and then just check that with the dipstick first, and make sure that it is good to go because I don't want to overfill it. Go. Good. It's good to go. All right. Clean around the oil tank. Now check again with the dipstick when the engine is hot. I'm not gonna do that right now because it's rainy out there, but I'll be test riding it before I go for a long ride. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.